All right, this is the 2018 Ford Fiesta, and I'm gonna just take it for a test drive, okay? All right, so it's very comfortable, kind of small car and everything, but I like it. It's spacious. I'm a tall person and I fit in here well. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in drive, and I'm just gonna give it a go. All right, car's already started. Put the setting into auto and get out of the parking lot, okay? All right. So it has a really good turning radius. I don't have to do much to get the vehicle to turn. And I guess it's because the wheels are kind of small. Just gonna go right here. Oh, excellent stopping ability. I guess that's what comes when you have a small car, okay? Go ahead and make a right out of here. Yeah, I kind of like this. See the biker right there. Biker right there, just wait for them. And I'm just gonna cruise around the streets, okay? The mean streets, all right? You know, one thing I like about this car is, like, when I tap on the gas, it kind of has a little bit of acceleration, which is kind of, you know, I was kind of worried I wouldn't have because of, you know, it doesn't have a really solid, it doesn't have a really solid engine. It has a 4-cylinder engine, okay? So I was kind of worried about that. But it all works out well. All right, come to a stop. Really good. Let me get some turning going on right here. See the action. Oh, there's something in the road. The car was kind of responsive. I like that. I'm gonna make a right here, one-way street. Come to a stop. I'll turn the AC on. Look at the features. Very simple. Go ahead and turn right here. Oh, one thing I like about this vehicle, excuse me. The one thing that I like about this vehicle is that it's very responsive. If I need to turn, I can turn like right away. Is this a one-way street? No, I'm gonna go down this street right here. Coming around here, one-way street. The turn signal is very conveniently located to the steering wheel. No, I can't go down that way. I'll just go straight. Just gonna go see this motorcyclist on the left. Be aware of him because motorcycles sometimes he wants to take off and go fast, right? Okay. Keep on going, Mr. Ducati. All right, and then I'm just gonna go straight right here. We'll slow down. The car looks kind of mean, right? I'm just gonna go. Painting over there. How long does it take to watch paint dry? It's a joke. I don't know. All right. Let's go. Another one-way street and a church going right there. There's a bump. Let's see how it goes over the bump. Oh, you can really feel it. And here's a speed bump right here. I'm gonna speed up and then I'm gonna slow down. Oh, it handled the speed bump well. I was afraid that it might scrape the bottom, but I guess there's enough clearance that allows me to go over that. Come to a stop and then make a right. See how, like, I didn't have to turn much because the turning is so responsive. One thing that I don't like, you know, it's very low to the ground and I feel kind of short compared to like the other cars around here, but it's all good in the neighborhood. Gonna make a right. Let's come to a stop. Old lady walking across the street. I'm just gonna let them walk across the street. I stop for old ladies and dogs, I guess. So really just a nice summer drive in this 2018 Ford Fiesta. If you have any questions about my test drive, please let me know. It's a fun car to drive, you know, if you have it, you know, it's relatively inexpensive. It's a cool car if you ask me. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Oh, there was a speed bump. Another car coming in. I'm gonna turn in right here. All right, thanks a lot for watching. Have a good one.